Yo, is that crude diesel? Wait. No, that's crude diesel. Wait. No, I'm crude diesel. Well, we're trying to get down to this lake to go take pictures, and CJ is like about to fall into a ditch. And scrape. Oh, it's so close. Sunset looks great though. Damn, I'll just snap a picture right there.
Completely took out that sign over there trying to turn around the trailer.
That was a pain in my ass. All the way? Oh yeah, he lives here.
Yeah.
You know.
Hold on. Long the whole
We're on a mountain. It doesn't work that well. He said nope.
This thing's so top heavy. Why is it so top heavy?
Why are you the way that you are?
Anybody got a shovel? It probably goes down very deep. Just not right now. Let's try a different spot. Back in my day.
I think he didn't get a license plate number.
Or he's just admiring your truck.
I don't think he's admiring the truck. I think he's definitely getting a license plate number.
Well, I mean, maybe.
Oh yeah. Maybe he's admiring the truck. Maybe he's a fan.
I don't think he's a fan. We're in like the freaking middle of the boonies.
Oh, it almost stayed.
No, it didn't.
If one gust of wind hits us, it's fucking done for it.
Oh, the anthill. Almost.
You just murdered an entire family of ants. Oh my god.
Yeah, put it behind it. Watch out, these ants. Fucking anthill.
Oh, this is an anthill?
I have no idea. That's a good idea.
What the fuck?
It's soft. The core of it's soft. That's when you can get in deeper.
It's fine. Leave it.
Nice. Good luck.
Oh, shit.
Alright, let's leave before we get lynched. What are we doing? I just said it. So we're picking up a frame for my OBS so I can start my frame off. It'd be a lot easier just to use this frame that I'm buying and just build the roller and then just set my body on top of it. It's just the easiest way. If anybody has some 05 and up axles, I need them.
We've got a big alligator here, mate.
Pulling it out of the weeds. Getting it right in the water. Oh, it's the last time you'll see the water, I'll tell you that, mate. My lights turn off. I rolled the truck forward.
Did you turn them off?
I did not turn them off.
I don't know,
Oh, less than that. 10 more. Just tell me that I was wrong. Way better than trying to fucking whatever. I think he was gonna drag it this way and then lift it, and then lift one end, and then put the other end. But if the tires are back here, it's way easier for it to hit a family of 17. I remember when I stopped filming YouTube videos in the winter. My hands are cold. I can't feel my hands. I have to press the record button with my nose. I worked in the oil field. I'm a tough motherfucker. Gabe did not. Yeah, shit. Yeah, shit. Is it going up straight?
perfect.
So I finally picked up a frame. There's no difference in the 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive frames on these OBSs. Honestly, there's no difference. It's a 1-ton frame. Obviously, the stupid twin I-beam axle, which is it's not going to be there. I only bought the frame because I think to do the frame off is going to be a hell of a lot easier to do it. So that way I can just go ahead and start whacking stuff off this frame, smoothing this frame out, getting it all nice and pretty, build my entire roller on this frame, off of this frame. While doing that, I'll just paint my cab and truck, throw it on top of this one. Nifty. Oh shit, look at that square body. Freshly painted.
Faster. Harder.
I remember whenever he starts it, it takes like 7 hours. What is this?
When you drive it at night and it doesn't have headlights.
I don't think you should be even trying to start that thing.
It would.
That's scary.
Sometimes.
Give it some throttle.
Oh wait. There you go.
Did you have to shove that back in there? Oh shit, you're dead. Man, 1 leaves and 3 come.
Bullshit.
Yank. Teamwork makes the dream work. You did it all? How did you lift up the rear and push at the same time? Look at that. You know how much wrecks I almost caused looking for this frame while driving down the road? For that beauty. That beauty of a thing. Yeah. I'm slacking. Lazy fucking piece of shit. I'm sorry. What the fuck? Oh, Oh, you need a license plate line, bud? That's a miss. You can't buy that anymore. Shit. Maybe some bolts. I'm gonna sell that on eBay. I'm gonna put this on my OnlyFans. I think it comes with a spider too. It's on my merch page. If anybody wants these bolts that fell off the frame page, you can sell it on my merch page.
I do have a merch page.
My OnlyFans.
I have a merch page.
It's just your Instagram.
It is my Instagram. That's still a merch page. DM me for some merch. Super cheap.
PM me for his merch. PM merch for merch. You know why I don't use your apparel place? Because I can't even say their name. Vaginal. Go to vaginalapparel.com to get yourself some GFP merch. Holy crap. I don't know how it's all gonna fit in the driveway. Yup, it's been a long fucking drive. But it's not like Tennessee to here, it wasn't too bad. But it's like, what day is it? It's Wednesday, Thursday, something like that? Tuesday, Wednesday. But I don't even know what day it is. I just know we left last week at Wednesday, and we're now still not even home, and it's Wednesday. We've been driving all the days except for one. That YouTube life. Two it's days. Like the GF. But we were still driving, even in Myrtle Beach. We were out to like 3 o'clock in the morning driving. It's insane. We've literally been everywhere. You know that song, I've been everywhere, man? It's country. But yes. That's our life. That is our life. It's almost broken. It's got almost 4,000 miles on it. Almost time for rolling burnouts at the trailer? Almost. Just about? Almost. A couple more thousand. We'll be good. Well, we're going to Mississippi next week. So. Mississippi, Texas, both places. Yep. And then back. Yeah. Actually, you know, come to think of it, you know, that guy, Atlantic City's truck show, whatever the fuck that guy is, he was talking about, you know, you don't want to pay for fuel and all that. I'm telling you, I just spent the last $2,000 in my bank account on fucking fuel. For what? For a squatted truck show? What do you think's at Atlantic City? Squatted trucks? So you don't want to pay for our fuel? You know how many people went there just because we were there? But still, like, a lot of people go there, and it's not even just that. Our YouTube is advertisement for that show. For anybody that didn't go to that show and sees our YouTube video, if we make it look like it's lit, like we always do. Facts. Even if it's not lit, we still make it look like it was fucking insane. People that didn't go would be like, holy shit, that was badass. I'm gonna go next year. There's another $100 per truck that fucking goes. But no, don't pay for our fuel.
Yeah, no, that's stupid.
That's
he said
insane.
my manager's dumb for suggesting that.
Why would you ever just pay for somebody's fuel? We don't bring them anything.
Well, they fucked up. Now it's 10 grand.
Oh yeah, 100%. Gotta pay for fucking our food, my girlfriend's food, your girlfriend's food,
We're going
my
to
dog's
steakhouses,
food.
by the way.
Oh yeah, my dog's eating at steakhouse.
Yeah.
My monkey, I got a monkey. It's a little chimpanzee. It's pretty cool. I have a snail. It needs food.
I have a lizard.
You do have a lizard. You have your lizard.
Yep.
I have a snail. It needs food. Both of our dogs.
My trucks actually eat food too.
The trucks, we actually have to include our oil changes.
Yep.
Even for the truck that's on the trailer, we have to do the oil change on it.
My coilovers has to be changed as well.
Coilovers,
Yep.
tires for all of the vehicles,
Full
and
trailers,
the trailers.
Diamond C's.
Yep. And they're gonna pay for our rock lights because of electricity. You know, electricity takes up more fuel whenever you're driving.
My gas bill, not like fuel, like my
At
gas
home.
bill. Yeah.
At home, yeah, no, because we're not there, so we gotta pay for that. Phone bill, all of
Wi-Fi.
Our epidemic sound, everything.
Yep.
You know, they're paying for it all.
Yeah, so
I don't
you're
care.
at like 100 grand, low key.
Low key.
Yeah. Actually, matter of fact, we'll make it. Just buy another 5th gen for me, and
just
then
buy
we'll
us a truck. We'll bring it to the show, and then we'll call it even.
Yeah.
But we keep the truck.